Alright, TRX90 fans, as you can see, this machine is on the lift. Repair manual production is well underway. We're just about to disassemble and go through this engine. This manual will cover 2006 all the way up to what is now current, the 2021 models, and who knows, maybe on into the future depending on what the manufacturer does. If you have any questions about this project or getting access to this repair manual, feel free to leave a comment or contact us through our website, cyclopedia.com, and I'll leave you with some TRX90 footage here.